Good day, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste. Subalang, my people. I'm here in our village. In Ngong, and it has really rained, guys. It has really rained, and the water is flowing nicely. You can see how it's flowing. It's beautiful, beautiful how the rainwater is flowing down this drainage, guys. See how it's raining. It's moving very, very, very beautifully. Wow, it's moving beautifully on both sides. Even that side is moving beautifully like that, and this side is the most beautiful move. See, it's moving nicely, guys. Wow, I just love it. It's going down River Ngong. That's where it's going, and it's nice. It's moving nicely. The rain can clean, can beautify, can enrich, can do a lot. But I told you now it's a short rainy season. It's a short rain season. So this is water coming from up there, up the hill. This is how it's moving, and the river is just down there. Let us wait for this vehicle to move. Oh, it's slippery, so I can't just go ahead. Yeah, let it move. Let us see how this side is moving. This side is not so much, but it's all the same. It's still moving. See, all this water is going to the river down there. You saw it kind of clogged with a lot of rubbish and everything. Oh, today the hawkers are not there. The rain is too much. It's too much, so the hawkers are not there. But of course, the socks are here. Jambo, unauza socks? Yeah. Unauzanga ngapi?
Ni 40 na 50 na 7.
Oh, ngapi? Socks moja, pair moja.
It's 40.
Ziko ngapi ndani? Where, that's expensive. Unavanunanga pair ngapi? You buy pair tatu. Yeah. 100 shillings.
Tatu mia. Chukua basi.
Sina uzwango hivyo. Kwa nini unataka kuuza? Wapi size yangu? Because hivyo ndio nanunuanga.
Easy.
Guys, I'm buying socks because now it's cold weather. Ingine kala yake ingine. Hiyo ndio nisinyang'anywe na watoto.
Na ina
size yangu.
Hii TikTok wengi wanaogopa. Sijui.
Kwa nini wanaogopa?
Sijui.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Hii ya TikTok, but it's okay. It's okay. Kwa sababu imeandikwa TikTok. So wanafikiria wataonekana kama ni TikTok.
Yeah.
No. Ile iko soft warm. Ni ile iko warm.
Angu pia ya viatu.
Sorry? Unasema?
Angu ya viatu.
Iko wapi?
Ni lakini hizi ni tofauti na hizi.
Najua. So guys, I'm taking some socks for myself. I don't know. Nichukue hii. Gani hiyo? This one looks good, eh? So nichukue hii na hizi ndio sasa ni hivyo. Okay guys, now let me now get out the money. I pay. He's hawking. What's your name? Legis. Yeah. From where?
Burundi. Nimetoka Burundi.
Umetoka Burundi?
Yeah.
Unajua wale wote nakutana nao kutoka Burundi wanauza njugu. Kwa nini wewe unauza socks?
Wewe
unauza socks? Wanauzanga njugu.
Wengi wanauzanga
njugu. Okay. Unaishi hapa?
Nenda
hivyo.
Nenda huko
Ngong, unaenda Ngong hivi? Ukiride kitu.
Natoka mbali, natoka huko Kawangware.
Kawangware.
Yeah.
In Nairobi. Unakuja kaunti yetu kuuza socks. Utasukuma hii kitu hivi?
Paka.
Umetoka naye huko?
Naona
Guys,
nikitoka huko saa moja. Nimefika huko Ngwalo kama saa 5 za jioni.
Saa 5 usiku?
Yeah.
Ulitoka huko saa 1 asubuhi?
Hapa nimetoka hapa
saa 1.
Yeah.
Ukisukuma hii?
Yeah.
Na hakuna mtu anakupigia kwa njia? Hakuna. Hamna. Where guys have taken socks. Wow. He is from Burundi and he's selling, he leaves Kawangware at 7. He leaves for Kawangware, he will leave Ngong. Ngong is Kajiado County, and he will leave here pushing this, it's called what? Wheelbarrow. This inaitwa wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
He will be pushing it and then he will reach at around 11 in the night. Every day you do this?
Yeah.
Oh. And you are just safe, eh? So Kenya is very safe. Even Kawangware is very safe. If you can do this, guys. Wow. Hey, but your name is hard. Sema jina tena.
Mimi nimeitwa Regis Niosaba.
Regis Niosaba?
Yeah.
Hey, French name? Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, let me, because we normally buy them at that much. Yeah, so let me just see if, yeah, I pay him. Here.
Sawa, barikiwa.
Okay. Karibu sana. Na asante. Yeah. Struggle is real, guys. So he's pushing that to Ngong town. Hey. And then he will go back to where he resides in Kawangware. Kawangware is in Nairobi County. And determination of Africans, hey, is unmatched. Can't be challenged. What? Hey, that's serious. Yeah. So I hope you'll be motivated and inspired by that young man, even as you enjoy the scenery of the rain. Yeah? Just flowing down the river like this. You can see. Yeah. That is rain. The rainwater flowing. It's flowing down the river. Let us go and see how it is at the river. Today I can't see the lady who sells here. The rain has come so early, so I think she ran away. Or even yesterday I didn't see her. Even yesterday she was no see. She was no see. So yeah. Hey, that young man, he has inspired me. Pushing that wheelbarrow from Kawangware. Okay. Guys, see the water? That's how it's flowing. That's how it's flowing down the river. And the bridge is just here. This water is stagnant here. And normally there's Zuku people who normally sell their items at this point, and a lady selling her second-hand clothes here. But the rain today has spoiled the sales. Now you can see, that is how the water is moving, guys. Yeah, it's moving like that. Let us see it from this side, whether the clogging is still there. Oh, it's still there. Clogging is still there. And the water now is black. It's black. It's coming from Ngong town. Wow. Just like that. Just like that. It moves like that. Yeah. So, hey. Yeah. Jumbo, ma'am. Hi. Hi. So, you've seen how it is that side, and this side is flowing this way, crossing all the way to go and join Nairobi River. Yeah, it's like that. It has rained this afternoon. Yeah, but I decided to have a walk and just see the happening. Yeah, the happening. That's a school bus carrying children back to their homes. We are now approaching Ngong Road, guys. Ngong Road. Oh, yeah, that is Tassel Junior Secondary School. Yeah. So we keep moving, guys. We are now on Ngong Road, where those vehicles are, and there's a bit of traffic snarl up, as you can see. Yeah, that is how it is. Well, when it rains, things behave this way. Wow. Ah. So you can see, this is Ngong Road, guys. Ah. This is Ngong Road. Ah. So, going to Nairobi, it will take you a while, because of the traffic snarl up like that. When it rains, things are like that. And coming from Nairobi is even more challenging, because here we have single road, one way. Yeah, one going and then one coming, as you can see. So the traffic can delay you. If you tell somebody you are going to meet at a certain time, you find that you can't make it unless you take a border, guys. So I'm at Juanco or Vet. This place is called Vet. You can see how it is. Yeah, those are selling fruits, green grocery, guys. Yeah. So now this is Juanco, and you can see that petrol station is written Juanco. Yeah. So that is how things are. So traffic on both sides, both sides, like that, and the water stuck everywhere. You can see there's a vehicle behind me. I don't know where it's going, but somehow, yeah. So this is how things are. This is a tour van. As you can see, it's a tour van. There's a dog. Yeah, that's a dog. And these are shops in Vet here. So yeah, that is how things are, guys. This is a dog. It's on here. People are still selling despite the rains. People are still selling. Yeah. So this is how things are. I'm at Juanco Vet area, and this is how it is. This is how it is. Rain everywhere. Yeah. So I've shown you how things are here. I feel I should close this vlog right here. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the scenery in Ngong after the rains. This is how it is, the traffic and everything. So thank you so much. Have a nice day full of God's blessings and with showers of blessings.